right, this is really amazing. Pretty much a game changer for me for video, for doing some quick things. And that is that in Canva, you can now remove the background in videos with a click. You don't need a green screen or anything like that. It just apparently works. So let's check it out. Okay, so I created this little video actually just to, throw a plug to them. That is with Deep Real AI in Canva. I use their demo. You can make up to 145 character script, and then you can create a little video, which is really amazing in and of itself. Totally different video, but that was with Deep Real AI, which you see right here, an app in the Canva ecosystem. Now for Marksware and for Pinecre01, I do a lot of videos, and Marksware will be having a Canva app here soon as well under the apps panel. So we're very excited about that. If we get back into the uploads with the videos, you see all the little video clips that I have collected here over the months. And if I click on this one.
Stop printing and publishing problems before they happen. Use Marksware Flight Check.
Right, so that's the one we created.
You just drag and drop your PDF or
amazing?
DTP files onto the application.
It's completely
Flight
AI.
Check then gives you two views, an inventory and a pre-flight.
Okay, so I want to remove the background, right? So let's try it out. The way you do that is you click Edit Video right here. When you click Edit Video, you get these options over here. You get different effects you can add, and you get Remove or Background Remover. And this is only with the Pro version, but it's well worth it if you have it or you need this. Remove the background of your video with one click. Let's do it. It's gone. It's that easy. It's that quick. Now, for all transparency, the first time I did it already to see what happens, I did it. It took about, I went down and got coffee and came back and it was done. That's how long it took. So what, 5 minutes, the background's gone. And
Stop printing and publishing problems before they happen. Use Marksware Flight Check. It is easy to use.
So that's how easy it is to remove background with the new Canva background remover tool. Canva.com, of course, is just an amazing product, not only for social media designs, for print designs and what have you, but also for video. More and more and more. I like to use it for video. Just to create little elements that I use in larger Premiere Pro or iMovie type of stuff. So it's really, really interesting, creative, and fun to use this Canva. And now also production-wise, just very fast and easy to use. If I remove this video, and if I say maybe like this video, now I'm curious what happens when I do remove background for this one. So let's see. Background. Okay, well, there we go. It didn't take long at all. Let's see what happened. Yeah, see, this one is a little more difficult because of a lot of the variation in the background. So that one didn't work so well. So let's try a different one. Let's try our crayfish friend here. He's moving a bit slower. Edit video, remove background. Yeah, it stays on 1% for a while and it just kicks right up here at 23%, 90%, and before you sip a coffee. So I think this will work better with still shots where you're just interviewing somebody and they're staying relatively still, or the camera staying relatively still, and the background is pretty much the same. So the algorithm can, more easily find the contours and the shapes and make decisions based off of that. 100%. Oh boy, he's looking a bit shady here. Let's see. Wow, that's pretty wild. I mean, it might be cool for like a scary movie or something, but that didn't work out either. So I don't know if I have a good example other than the one I had just coincidentally. Let's try this one. This is, I don't even know what it is anymore. Okay, so let's see what happens with this one. Since this is a little more, how do we say, fixed position. Hey, I got the same shirt on. Isn't that coincidental? Let's do that again. Edit video, remove background remover. Okay, this is looking a lot better. Well, not bad, not bad at all. I mean, not perfect. It's kind of like some of those Zoom meetings where you see like a little you know, fuzziness around the edges, but wow, it works pretty good. But I'm really happy with the first example we had, and that one right there really is, once you do it once, you can just do it again. It just goes away, and that's just saves so much time and effort, and I don't have to, resize all too crazily. So there we have it. That's the easiest to remove background in the new Canva.com feature. So check it out today. For more information on Marksware, cruising over to marksware.com and check out Flight Check if you're into printing. Yeah, hope you liked the video. Pineacker01 here signing off. Have a great day. Take care.